Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's math class, we shall be taking an Olympiad math question, and it is given if n minus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to negative 1, then what should be the value of n? I encourage you to watch till the end, alright, and also subscribe to my channel. We dive in solution to the question. M minus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to negative 1. Alright? So, what I will do first is to move the negative 1 from the right hand side to the left hand side to get m minus 1 raised to power 3, then plus 1 is equal to 0. Very good. But you know, 1 is the same as 1 cubed. Alright? Therefore, I can write this as 1 minus m minus 1 cubed plus 1 cubed is equal to 0, since 1 is equal to 1 cubed. Alright, let us look at this difference of two cubes. A cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay? Alright. I am going to make use of this law, difference of two cubes. I'm going to make use of it in this place. What that means is that a is equal to m minus 1. Okay, let's put it this way. A is equal to m minus 1, whereas b is equal to 1. What that means is that I can now represent this in this form. So since a is m minus 1, I'll have m minus 1, that is a, okay, plus b. Okay, let's put it down. M minus 1 cubed, then plus 1 cubed is equal to, now, a, which is n minus 1, plus b, which is 1. That is for the first bracket. Then, into the second bracket, I have a squared. And the a is m minus 1 squared. That is a squared. Then minus ab. And the ab now is m minus 1. Then multiply 1. That is m minus 1 is a multiplied by 1. Very good. Then plus b squared. And the b here is 1. So plus b squared. This is the second bracket. This is the second bracket. Very good. What this means now is that I have represented it as difference of two cubes, where m minus 1 is a. Okay? And the b is 1. b is 1. Alright, just take a look at it. Take a look at it. At this point, I can now simplify. From here, what I have now is minus 1 cancels plus 1. But remember, this is equal to 0. M minus 1 cubed plus 1 cubed is equal to 0. So the expansion of this is exactly this, and it is equal to 0. Now, minus 1 cancels with 1, leaving me with a n. Into, I'll open this bracket, m minus 1 squared. If I open it, I'll get m squared. Then, m multiplied by minus 1 is minus m, then multiplied by 2 will give me minus 2n. Also, minus 1 squared will give me plus 1. I've opened this. Next, 1 multiply m minus 1 will still give me m minus 1. Therefore, minus multiply m will give me minus n And also minus multiply minus 1 will give me plus 1. Very good. Also, 1 squared is 1. Everything is equal to 0. It is moving well. This is going to be n into n squared. Okay? You can see minus 2n minus n is going to give me minus 3n. Also, 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give me plus 3. Everything is equal to 0. If you look into the second bracket, that is this, you see that it is a quadratic equation. What it means is that n is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 0. First answer for the value of n. The second answer will come from the bracket, which is also n squared minus 3n plus 3 is also equal to 0. Okay? This now is a quadratic equation. We can now apply quadratic formula in solving it, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Alright, but a is equal to 1, the coefficient of m squared, while b is equal to negative 3, the coefficient of n, and the c is equal to positive 3. We substitute a, b, and c into the quadratic formula. And when that happens, I'll have here b, which is minus 3 minus minus 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, 1 multiplied by c, 3, all divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2a. Okay. Subscribe to my channel as you watch, and may God bless you for doing that. Alright, we have done the substitution of a, b, and c into the quadratic formula. What next is to look for the result. So moving forward, this is now minus minus, which is 3 positive, plus or minus the square root of minus 3 squared will give us positive 9. Then 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 will give us negative 12, all divided by 2. Okay, it is almost done. What we do next, n is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 3, that is 9 minus 12, all over 2. We are done, but this is a complex root. What it means is that n is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 3i all over 2. Recall, note that I is equal to the root of negative 1. Okay, from here, square root of negative 3. It is written as square root of 3 multiplied by square root of negative 1. And that square root of negative 1 is exactly I. And that is why we got from here square root of 3i. In conclusion, therefore, the values of n are, first one, which is what we got here, 0. The second answer for n is also equal to 3 plus root 3i. N is also equal to 3 minus root 3i. These are the three answers for the value of n. 1 is real, while 2 are complex roots. Thank you for watching to the end. Just a quick one. If you put n equal to 0 into this place, it will definitely give you this. Just a quick check. Let here be n equal to 0, which is 0 minus 3 raised to the power 3. Will it be equal to negative 1? This will give us negative 1 to the power of 3, will it be equal to negative 1? That is the question. Yes, it should be, because negative 1 to the power of 3 will give us negative 1, equal to negative 1. So, that authenticates the real value of m equal to 0 as a correct answer. God bless you.